Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Today let us start a new poem from your first flight textbook. Name of the poem is How to Tell Wild Animals. This poem is written by Carolyn Wells. Before we start our poem, let us have a brief introduction about Carolyn Wells. Carolyn Wells, she was born in the year 1862 and died in the year 1942, and she was an American writer who was famous for books based on mystery and famous works Jingle Book at the Sign of Sphinx. Now let us start the poem. And in this poem, the poet has explained the characteristics of some wild animals in a very humorous manner, in a funny manner. He explained the characteristics of some animals, and by those characteristics, how we can identify those animals. He explained here. See, now let us start the poem. If ever you should go by chance to jungles in the east, and if there should to you advance a large and tawny beast, if he roars at you as you are dying, you will know it is the Asian lion. See here, the poet is telling, if you get chance to go to the jungles in eastern countries, if you get a chance to go to eastern country jungles, and if there should to you advance a large and tawny beast, and while you are wandering in the forest, if a large and tawny beast advance you means comes in front of you, or you will come across that animal. Okay, tawny beast means yellowish brown color. Okay, in front of you there is a large and tawny beast. If he roars at you as you are dying, then he roars at you. Because of that voice, you have to die. Because of that roaring, you have to die. If such terrible voice is coming from that animal, you will know it is the Asian lion. Then you will know that this animal is nothing but Asian lion. Here, it is large and it is tawny beast, and it roars as if you are going to die immediately hearing that roaring. Then you will come to know that that animal is Asian lion. Next, or if sometime when roaming round a noble wild beast greets you with black stripes on yellow ground, just notice if he eats you. This simple rule may help you learn the Bengal tiger to discern. Yes, while you are roaming in the forest, a noble wild beast greets you. Then a noble means magnificent or splendid animal comes in front of you. It greets you with black stripes on yellow ground. It has black stripes, black lines on yellow ground. It means its skin contained yellow color. On that, again we can see black color stripes. Just notice if he eats you, then all of a sudden that beast jumps on you, it kills you, and starts to eat you. This simple rule may help you learn the Bengal tiger to discern. By these characteristics, you can identify, discern means identify. You can identify this animal is nothing but Bengal tiger. Animal which is having yellow color ground and on that black stripes are there, and it jumps on you and kills you all of a sudden and it starts to eat you, then you can identify that animal is Bengal tiger. Next, if strolling forth a beast you view, whose hide with spots is peppered, as soon as he has leapt on you, you will know it is the leopard. It will do no good to roar with pain. He will only leap and leap again. See here. Keep strolling forth. Strolling means wander or walking casually. While you are walking in the forest casually, while you are wandering in the forest casually, a beast you view. Suddenly you see a beast whose hide with spots is pepper. His skin, it is covered with water spots. Black spots are there on his skin. Hide means skin of animal. That animal's skin contains black spots on it. As soon as he has leapt on you, then suddenly that animal will jump on you. All of a sudden it jumps on you. It will do no good to roar with pain. Then you may scream with loud voice. You may roar with pain. But it is not going to be useful because he will only leap and leap again. How much you scream also, that animal is not going to leave you. It jumps and jumps on you again and again. By this we can understand this animal is what? It is a leopard. Like this, about 3 animals we have seen. First one lion, second one tiger, third one leopard. Let us continue the poem in the next session.